squirrel. Guys, there's a red squirrel right here. What have you guys done? There's a red squirrel here. So, I don't know what they are. They're a little squirrel. And, yeah, cute. These ones are the ones that people usually like to hunt because they're the ones with the good meat. Don't eat garbage. Because these ones are more of a countryside squirrel. Oops, let's see if it goes. I think he's up here if you can't see him. Oh, there's two. There's two of them. That was a runner, but oh, he's going up that tree. One right here. So yeah, they're reddish color and they're really cute though. So anyway, see you in the next video. But first, I'm gonna get some nice even. They like living in trees, so if you're a hunter and you're hunting them, you kind of gotta shoot high. Can't really tell. Popcorn needed right here, bitch. You bitch. Let's see if I can hit him. Rock or something. Oh shit, I hit my head down there. Yeah, so he's eating. In the fall, they like put stuff in their cheeks, and their cheeks get all puffy. And then they hibernate for winter. All that food. Ooh, backing up. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video.